Welcome to Marks Learning. The topic of the video is trick to remember countries on equator. First of all, let us know what is equator. Equator is a 0-degree latitude which divides our earth into two equal halves, names northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And in this world there are 13 countries which are on equator. Means there are 13 countries through which this equator passes, and it is very difficult to remember the names of all those 13 countries through which this equator passes. So in this video I will give you a very simple trick through which we can easily remember the names of all the 13 countries which are on equator. So let's start. Here is the trick which contains Hindi and English letters, which makes this trick very simple and interesting also. From this trick, Miss Kiribati GRE clear करके ब्राज़ील से UK चली गई. From this word miss, the first letter of this word miss, M stands for Maldives, I stands for Indonesia, S stands for Somalia, and second is stands for Sao Tome and Principe. From Kiribati, From GRE, the first letter G stands for Gabon. From R, Republic of Congo. From E, Ecuador. From C, Colombia. From B, Brazil. From U, Uganda. From K, Kenya. This Chali word, from this C stands for Democratic Republic of Congo. Here from this word C, you can relate with this word Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. So by the use of this simple trick, we can easily remember the names of all the 30 countries which are on equator. You can see in the map also this line, this 0-degree latitude, this is the equator which passes through these 13 countries. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe this video and press the bell icon to receive more notification.